Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking for a great fitness tracker with a nice sleek look, I've got just the thing for you. This is the Fitbit Luxe and I love it. My favorite feature is the functionality. It's a double tap on and you'll immediately have your watch so you know what time it is. And it's a really easy scroll down to get your other statistics. You just scroll a little bit, you can see your number of steps, how many calories you burned, your heart rate, your resting heart rate, and your sleep stats as well. And with just another little flick of the finger, you can get so many more options right on your watch. My favorite, of course, is the exercise. I really wanted something where I could start my exercise timer right on my watch without having to go to my phone, and with this one you can. And there's lots of options. You've got walking, treadmill, running, general workout, all right there for you to choose from. So super easy, all you need is your watch and you're good to go. I also love how sleek this Fitbit Luxe looks. I don't have the super huge hands and wrists, so I wanted something kind of on the smaller side that wasn't gonna feel or look too bulky on my wrist, and I think this one is just perfect. So overall, I've been very happy with this and I hope you will like it too. And that's my point of view.